Hi, today I'm going to show you how to set your Windows 11 to use your Microsoft account to log in your email address for your Windows 11. First, you need to go to your Windows 11 settings. Okay, then you go to accounts. I'm actually now logged in as a local account. I want to change this to my Microsoft account with email address. You need to click on your info. Okay. So under account settings, now it's actually local account. Change it to sign in with a Microsoft account instead. Okay, then you sign in with your Microsoft account. Okay, approve a request using my app. Okay. Sign in to this account using your Microsoft account. Use your Microsoft account on Hello. If you set it up, you'll need your current Windows password one last time. Okay, it's still asking my password. Right. You log in. My password or Windows password is not my Microsoft password. Asking you to create a PIN to sign in faster. We'll close this. I don't want PIN. So now I'm actually sign in as by Microsoft account with my email address. So this is how to change from a local account to a Microsoft account or sign in with your email address. That's it. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Windows tips. Thanks. Do click the like button as well. Thanks. Bye.